Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about the reason why you should start freelancing on Fiverr today. So I understand the fact that there are many people who have been trying to look for a way whereby they want to increase their earnings. Either maybe they are salary earners and they are looking for a way whereby they can increase their salary and monthly income due to one or two reasons, and also they have been looking for a way or a job that they can actually do online to make more money. And if you have the skills and you believe that the skill is here on the Fiverr marketplace, definitely you can start that or offer that kind of service today. So I'll be walking you through the reason why you should start freelancing on Fiverr today, and also show you some different categories whereby you can check and see if your skills belongs to such category. Then you can start offering a service. And of course, there are many people who are actually looking for someone who can do their project, and based on what you know or based on your skills, definitely you will be of help to that kind of person. And I will tell you if freelancing on Fiverr actually worth it, and we'll be checking out that, and also if Fiverr is the best to freelance or to start your freelancing career. Yeah, so we'll be talking about that, and also how you can be successful on Fiverr marketplace. So we'll be checking out if freelancing on Fiverr actually worth it. And there are many different platforms such as Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer.com, and all that. And of course, you can start your career and at all these places like I just mentioned. But I want to tell you that Fiverr is kind of like different from others, because on Upwork you kind of like be sending proposal before you can get a job. On freelancing.com you send a proposal before you get a job. But here on Fiverr, you just have to set up your gig, publish it, and also if you can promote your gig on social media platform, definitely. And if you don't promote it, there is an opportunity that you can still get a job here on Fiverr marketplace. And also there are different type of package that you can offer, which are the basic, standard, and the premium. So it depends on how you want to set your price. Then if buyer found it so reasonable and the price is kind of like friendly, so definitely you will get a job or get hired by that kind of person. So I would recommend you to start Fiverr if you are kind of like newbie to the freelancing platforms. So the Fiverr is kind of like easy to start your career. And then if Fiverr is a great place to leverage your skills that you already have, it's also a perfect place to practice and perfect a new skill. You can scale up your service to clients and get a value, even though if your price are more than $5. So definitely you can see all this on. But if you are a new seller on the marketplace and your niche is kind of like high saturated, because there are different niches on Fiverr. Let's check on the logo design of a thing so you actually see what I'm talking about. So if you are not a level seller and you offer your basic package for $20 or $30, so that would kind of like be chasing your gig away from the relevant page where buyer can actually find your gig to purchase. So you can see here on the first page here on logo design, the level 2 sellers here have $10 as their basic package, $15, some are 30, but due to the fact that they are already a level seller, so it's very easy for them to get a job here on first page. If you are a new seller, you can see on this page here you can't find a new seller gig here on this first page, because the top rated seller, level 2 seller or level 1 seller have already taken over the whole page, and there is no way a no level seller can take over these pages. So it'd be very easy for you if you can start from $5 for a single logo or a simple service for your on your niche. So that will be very easy for you to scale up and then get a level badge on Fiverr. And once you see that you are now a level 1 or level 2, then definitely you can increase your gig package on Fiverr marketplace. So that will be very easy for you, and people will believe that okay, fine, this seller is a level seller. So definitely they will believe in your design, they will believe in your skills, and they will believe in your profile. So that is that for that. And also, how could you be successful offering a service on Fiverr? All you need to do is setting up your profile, then setting up your gig first. So I think it's definitely good invested time to create a design for your gig. So you can see all these gigs here on this page, they are well designed gig images, and even though some of the gig images are what they design for a client, so you can use a design that you have actually designed for some of your clients in the past, either here on this platform or off this platform. So definitely, if you think people are going to love it, so definitely you can use it as your gig image. And if you think you can design something more better, then you can just design from scratch, and then you can see. And also, when you are trying to setting up your gig, make sure you are using the best or the right category that is well describe your service. So you can see here, this gig belong to graphics and design, and also as well as logo design. So this seller have an easy gig title, which is I will do minimalist modern and business logo design. This is very simple and straightforward as well. So let's check on the gig images. So here she have her pictures, then she have some logo design that she has done so far from client for client. So these are 9 logo designs which she implements on the gig image so that people can actually see what she offer. And these are the designs that she has done for clients. So you can see here with different variations, and also as well as this. So, and definitely buyers are well satisfied with our service. So you can see here the gig description as well. So here, so she have a portfolio to her profile on all designs that she have made so far. So if we check on this gig or this link here, you'll be able to see her profile on all her designs that she have added to this website. So you can see here, these are the designs. So if any buyers check on the gig description, so definitely they'll be able to see the link and come here to check if she is the best freelancer to work on their project. So it's left for them to choose after that. Then you can see our profile. You can see our profile here. It's well detailed and also very easy to read, and then anybody that actually read this, they will know that she is well perfect for their service. And also, I want to tell you that after setting up your gig, you can't just leave and think that some miracle will happen after that. So all you need to do is also try to be online all through. It's very important. Try to be online, because if you are actually online, you have the opportunity to be on this first page. You have the opportunity to be on this first page. It doesn't matter, being online doesn't matter if you are a level 2 seller, a level seller, or anything. So if nobody is online and you are online as a no level seller, definitely your gig will be appearing in this page. Your gig is appearing, and if your gig is appearing on this page, definitely buyer will be able to contact you if they input the right keywords that you are using on your gig. So it will be very easy for you to quickly make sales on Fiverr than someone that is not actually online and have a gig published on the platform. So also I want to tell you that reviews on a gig is also matter a lot, and it also help you to get job as soon as you can, because people will kind of like, okay, this seller have a review, let me check on the reviews, then see what people are actually saying about our service or his service. Then you come down to where you have your reviews, and then you read everything about what people are saying about your gig, what about your service. So by then people would like to buy your service as well. So there are many things here. Okay, so you can see people that are actually dropping 5 star, 4 star, 3 star, 1 star. So buyers can navigate to any page they want. So these are the 4 stars. So these are the 1 stars as well. So you can read through and see the one that you want to read. So if buyer read everything and they think that, okay, let me give it a try, so you just purchase your service without anything. And if you have a $5 package as a basic package, maybe one premium logo design along with this and this, and once you think that you're now a level 1 seller or level 2 seller, so you can actually increase your price to $30. Just ask this. So, and there are some people that will think that, okay, due to the fact that maybe some seller are offering a lesser price on Fiverr, so I can't offer my service here on this Fiverr market due to the fact that the price is kind of like low. Of course, you can give your package any price you want, but it's just that the market is kind of like competitive, and you are not, you are not the only one on the marketplace. So definitely you should have your price competitive. So if a buyer see your gig here, you having $15 and another gig here $45, so definitely try your best so that they can choose your gig and purchase. That's what I'm actually saying. So, and once you think that you have enough reviews, and even though the fact that this seller is having thousands of reviews, and the package, the basic package is still friendly, and let me try to check on this gig and see how many orders is in queue. Okay, 130 here. Let me check on this gig, which is top rated seller, and this is 103. So these are the things that will definitely be happening, because this price is higher than this. So, and most people would like to, people like something cheap at some point. So people would like to buy this even for a startup. So I think this is cool. And also, if you want to kind of like increase your sales so fast, so you should promote your gig using the social media platform. So you can promote your gig on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So if you are kind of like showcasing your service on the Instagram marketplace and also the other pages as well, so definitely getting a job will kind of like be so fast for you without you spending 1 month on the platform without making any sales. So I think this kind of like help you a lot. And also I think I have mentioned every categories that I believe it will definitely help you to start your freelancing career on Fiverr marketplace today. And also, don't believe that you are the only one in the marketplace. So the market is kind of all competitive. Like I said, the market is all competitive, and even though I'm checking on one gig, so Fiverr still bringing recommendation gigs, which is outside the other sellers I'm actually checking. So you can see this one here. These are the recommendation from Fiverr, which you can actually purchase as well. So definitely they are trying to tell me that if I don't want to purchase this service, so I should go for this. Of course, if I'm checking on this gig right now and it was not like, okay, I see recommendation from Fiverr, so I can click on this, and if this makes sense to me, definitely I'll purchase this. So but if you have enough reviews and your price is kind of like friendly, so definitely there is no reason why a buyer will go from your gig to another gig. So you can see everything here. about the seller's description and the service overview. So this seller has fag and then reviews. So that is how the whole marketplace works. And I think if you give it a try today, definitely you will be amazing about the result. And also understand the fact that the market is kind of like growing every day. The market is opening to create account all time through and create a gig all time through as well. So regarding the fact that I'm just talking about this logo, this that, it doesn't mean that the about other categories are different. So the same thing applies to every categories here on Fiverr marketplace. And also you can check on the logo animation. So but of course they are different niches, so and they are kind of like isolated than each other. So you can see all this one too. So it just depends on the skills you have and what you actually want to do and how you want to get started on Fiverr. So I've made different videos regarding Fiverr, and then you can check on the category to see watch more videos about Fiverr on how to be successful on Fiverr marketplace. So if this video what you're watching and then you like the video, kindly click on thumbs up and then drop a comment what you think about the video, and I'm very more than happy to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.